In today's video, I want to guide you on how to transcribe your voice to text on MX, that is your Microsoft Office. This is very simple. Now, open your Microsoft Office like the one you see on the screen. At this side, you should see a button called Dictate. And you can see that my own is not having Dictate. Then here is how you can transcribe it. It's very simple. Now go to your computer, click on this Start menu, click on Settings. Once you click on Settings, then click on Privacy and Security. Now once you click on Privacy and Security, come to Speech button here, click on it. Make sure that this button is turned on. Once this button is turned on, then come back to this place. On the Microsoft here, click on Home, then combine Window plus H together. It brings you this interface. Now let's begin the process. Once you click on it, you start recording, just like what you see on the screen. Let me begin. In this video, I want to guide you on how to transcribe your voice to text on MX or Microsoft Office, as the case may be. Now you can say that this is typing and I'm speaking is typing. Then put a full stop, then move to the next paragraph. This is what you can do on your Microsoft Office without using your keyboard, just by transcribing your voice to text on Microsoft Office. Now you see that I've been able to do that. Once you are done that, then stop this and close this place. Now that's all, guys, on how to transcribe your voice to text on MX. If you enjoy what I've explained in this video and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.